In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can create this super cool sticker effect using Canva. Let's go. To start, you're going to text. I'm going to simply type sticker effect. And now we're going to work on the font. For this sticker, I want some cool girl vibes and I need to change this font. So I'm going to select this here and I'm going to search for Genty. This is a free font in Canva. I really like it. Now we're just going to make sure it's all centered for this effect. And we are going to reduce here the spacing like this. This is fine. I'm also going to increase the size of the font. And I don't want this all caps. Now we already have our starting point. We're going to change the text color now. I wanted a darker color first. And for the effect, we're going to use outline and I'm going to select a lighter color. For this, it is important that you find some color combinations that go well together and always like one darker for the font and one lighter for the effect and vice versa. And we're going to increase it to the max, okay? For this font, you see that the effect is super nice and rounded, okay? If you take a different font that is not as round, sometimes it can look a bit strange. Let me show this to you with a different font. Like this, you see? So you have to test the font that you're using. This is not bad, but depending on the vibe you want, and if you wanted this to have this kind of rounded shape, you just need to search here for the fonts for rounded, and then Canva is going to be suggesting for you some rounded fonts, and you will have the effect looking more like a sticker. But let's go back to our font here in our sticker. Now we're going to duplicate that and we're going to invert the colors, okay? So this means that I'm going to use the lighter color now for the text and I'm going to use the darker color for the effect. We are going to increase the size of this copy just a bit and we are going to place that to the back. Now we are going to adjust this below that other text, creating this sticker effect. This is super easy to do, right? Now, if you want to go more pro with that, I can teach you how to add texture to that sticker, okay? For doing that, we need to download this here as a PNG with a transparent background. Now we upload that as an image and we're going to apply the texture effect in this image. So let me make it just a bit bigger. The easiest way for doing that is going to apps and search for texture. This one here. This is a Canva Pro app, so if you don't have Canva Pro but want to test it 30 days for free, you can check the link below. Here you can choose from different textures, but the one that I think that fits most for this kind of sticker is paper. Go there, click See All, and you need to select the image first. And let's choose this one here, crumbled paper. You can already see this kind of effect or depth that it added to the sticker, right? Here you can still reduce the opacity. You can rotate the effect if you think it looks nicer. And when you're done with your additions here in the app, just click on Save. Then you will have your sticker just with a little bit of texture, which looks super interesting. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to follow for more Canva tutorials just like this and aesthetic design tips. See you in the next video.